Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Offering an outdoor pool, Motel 6 Fort Lauderdale is located 0.9 miles away from the Secret Woods Nature Center. A cable TV and a desk are featured in all pet-friendly rooms. The private bathroom includes a bath or shower. A 24-hour front desk and laundry facilities are available for added convenience. Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport is 4.3 miles away from this Motel 6. Broward Convention Center is 3.4 miles away. The Museum of Art Fort Lauderdale is 7 minutes drive from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.